What's the meaning of arachnophobia? Arachnophobia. Arachnophobia.
Arachnophobia. Arachnophobia. Arachnophobia is a common phobia, which refers to an intense and irrational fear of spiders and other arachnids. People with this phobia may experience extreme anxiety, panic attacks, and avoid anything related to spiders, including pictures or films. This fear can interfere with daily activities, limit social interactions, and may lead to isolation. Treatment options include cognitive behavioral therapy, exposure therapy, and medication. It is important to seek help from a mental health professional if arachnophobia is affecting daily life.